Hey guys, in this video I'm going to be reviewing the REGUS Virtual Office, okay? I'll give you the pros, I'll give you the cons, everything. And the biggest advantage that they have is their extensive global network of actually prestigious addresses. So, having a professional business address in a prime location instantly boosts credibility, especially when you're operating remotely, okay? Especially not in a well-known country. And the mail handling, the call answering, services they have, they're pretty convenient. They ensure that you don't miss important communications. And they have the ability to book meeting rooms or day offices on demand. Also a lifesaver for, the occasional in-person meetings. They basically offer you flexibility without the overhead of a full-time office. These are the companies that actually trust them with this kind of work as well. Now, the main frustration for me that stemmed down from the pricing and billing. Okay, so the initial quoted price seemed reasonable, but there were often additional fees for services I thought were included, or charges that weren't clearly itemized. So, this lack of transparency, it could make budgeting tricky. Look, I don't have a problem. Like, okay, you just tell me that this is how much it costs, even if it's a little bit more. But like, tell me up front so I can budget for it. You know. And customer service, particularly when dealing with billing discrepancies or trying to make changes to the plan, they could be slow and sometimes unhelpful. Often referring to global policies rather than resolving specific issues. Also, the auto renewal terms, they can be quite strict, so you need to be very diligent about your cancellation notices. So keep that in mind when you make a decision, but they actually do work. So if you found this video helpful, make sure you smash that like button and subscribe to frequently asked questions.